Today, I'm enumerating the number one thing you can do to make your growth exponential. The number one reason most people get stuck and they don't grow as people, as we should our entire lives, is because of a lack of self-love. Because when you don't have enough, most people think they do, but they really don't. When you don't have enough self-love, which creates your self-esteem, it's really hard to honestly reflect on where you're at and where you could stand to improve. What skill as an adult you could stand to improve? We all have them. Humans are not meant to be perfect, but we are meant to continuously grow. But it's very hard for us to look at ourselves as someone that is lacking in a particular area, to admit we need to improve and to dig in and work on it without self-flagellation. That's a biggie. Without beating ourselves up, we need to be able to reflect on where we can grow and then be persistent in the pursuit of that growth. Skills take time and patience to develop. The number one reason people stay stuck is a lack of honest self-reflection. The second is a lack of persistence, an ability to continue to work on something even when they're not good at it, so they can hone that skill and get better. Once you get to the point that you're okay with admitting you're not perfect, and it's okay to look at those faults and work on them so they can get better, your personal growth is going to be exponential. Be sure to hit subscribe so you don't miss any of our future trainings, and I'll see you on the next video.